Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to set up security alerts in the Bank of America mobile app so you can stay informed about account activity and protect your money. To get started, open the Bank of America mobile app and log into your account. Once you're signed in, go to the Account Overview screen and tap the Inbox Envelope icon at the top of the screen. Next, select the Bank of America. If you have multiple linked accounts, make sure you choose Bank of America from the list. From there, tap on Quick Setup. This option is recommended because it automatically enrolls you in essential alerts, including security alerts, unusual credit or debit card activity, and low balance notifications. If you prefer more control, you can choose Custom Setup to review and manage each alert individually. You may be prompted to allow notifications on your phone. Tap Allow so the app can send you alerts in real time. After that, you can customize your alerts. You'll see different alert categories, such as account activity, security, balances, and payments. Tap on a category to view available alert options. Choose the account you want alerts for, select the specific alerts you want to receive, and save your settings. You can repeat this process for other accounts or alert types at any time. Once alerts are set up, Bank of America will notify you about important activity, helping you stay secure and in control of your account. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you set up security alerts in the Bank of America app, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.